Hi and welcome to You Are the Chef. I'm Heidi and we're here at the Renaissance Shanghai U Garden Hotel. And we have a very special chef who's going to be teaching us how to create dishes using lobster. Now, lobster is an absolutely fabulous, luxurious item, and he's going to be teaching us how to use it in 5 different Chinese-style dishes. But before we start cooking, let's see who that chef is. Our chef today is Chef Max Zhao. He has a wealth of experience in the culinary industry for over 18 years. Instead of focusing on traditional Shanghai-style specialities, Zhao renewed the menu with many innovative dishes, combining Chinese and Western elements. We're looking forward to what he's going to bring us this week. Today's dish is Spiny Lobster Sashimi with Octopus and Matsutake Rice. Raw lobster tastes just as good as a cooked one, and even better when it's accompanied with this fabulous rice. Follow these very simple steps and you can easily make it just as well in your home. Okay, 所以我们所有的菜在前面，我们怎么开始？
我们先飞一下菠菜，把菠菜穿一下水。
OK，
加一点油，我们会有一点亮的颜色。
好，那我现在放进去是吧？
稍许让它水再开一点。
OK，
如果你水不开的话，你放下去，它所有的东西它都会发黑、发黄。
哦，好，现在呢？
现在我们可以放进去。
OK，
轻轻碰一碰。
好，要放多长时间？
好了 ，OK，
已经好了，
已经好了。
天哪 ，OK， 好。
因为菠菜我们煮久了以后，它的所有的营养价值全部都没有了。
对对对。
下一步我们现在开始炒饭，鸡蛋用一个。好，我们现在去放鸡蛋。
好。
好，一会儿会把火关小一点。
要继续炒吗？
对。把它炒碎，炒成蛋花。好，现在我们放。
这个是什么？
这是松茸。哦，
松茸 ，OK。
好，我们放一点松茸进去。我们现在再放一点芥蓝。
这样应该是很脆脆的。
对，
很好的。
要让它更加的鲜美，我们让它放一点油鸡。
油鸡 ，OK。Oh, it smells great, just this stuff.
好，像以后我们现在放爆汁。
所以你说了，这个是有一点直的。
对。
OK。有一个烤的这种的味道，很有意思的味道。OK， 然后这个是鸡粉。对，
鸡粉。好，我们放一点点蚝油。
蚝油 ，OK。
对，我们的蚝油啊，尽量就是用旧装蚝油。
这个不会太咸了嘛？
不会的，我们现在就要让它稍许再有点颜色，放一点点老抽。
OK。如果我现在尝，肯定是很咸的，是不是？
不会的。
不会的吗？
因为为什么？因为我们的爆汁都是原味的，它不会咸。
哦 ，OK。
好，现在我们就要放我们炒饭的。我们是2种米饭。
糯米。
对。白米饭。
白米饭。
对的。OK。好，我们现在先放白米饭。
为什么你用了2个不同的饭？
因为白米饭口感上面比较好，糯米饭是有粘性，然后我们会有它一个造型。
哦 ，OK。好，我特别喜欢糯米，我觉得真的是很好吃。
OK， 好，现在我们先把它炒匀。
Okay. The normie is actually the rice that's more difficult to separate because it's got a lot of that gluten in it. It actually sticks together
现在
quite
你
a
可
lot.
以稍许要尝一下味道。
现在尝一下味道。
OK，
很香啊。
对呀，好，我们现在要用水来把它收一下它的水芡。这样它包裹紧了以后，它才会有一定的锅气。所谓的锅气，在我们中国菜里面，就是说它有一定的温度以后，它会产生一种锅里面的一种香气。对的。OK， 非常漂亮。
OK， 现在这个一段就好了，是吧？
好了，我们现在就关火。
OK， 关火。OK，now let's take a commercial break. Hi and welcome back to You Are the Chef. All this week we're creating some amazing dishes using lobster. Now today's dish, we've actually got a very special fried rice for you. So our rice is ready. 那我们下一步是什么？
现在我们 煎松茸。
煎松茸。
对。
OK。
我们不要油。
不要油。
对的。
哦。所以要一点烤的这种的感觉，是吧？那我们龙虾是也不烤吗？这次
龙虾我们这次是刺身。
哦，
对的
，awesome。
OK，
差不多好了。
好了，
我们就关火吗？
对，关火。好，放这里，等一会儿需要用它。
OK。OK， 那我们的饭，我们的松茸就做好了。
对的。
我们还需要做什么？
我们需要做龙虾了。
龙虾 ，OK。
对的。好，现在我们这是龙虾。这是我们已经取好肉的龙虾，里面我们稍许拿一个小的青柠檬，稍许给一点点汁水在里面，我们稍许把它晃一晃 ，OK， 因为它龙虾里面要稍许给一点这种青柠檬的味道，去它的腥味。
腥味
啊，
，OK。
对。好，我们现在龙虾，我们去帮它改刀
，OK，
就稍许我们是把它改成粒。
OK。
吃上去我们有感觉，
就是OK， 小的一块一块。
对的，好，现在我们差不多可以中盘了。
OK， 好。
OK， 现在OK， 需要这个米饭，稍许给它一点感觉的。
OK。
我们先再来一个鱿鱼须。对的。所以说我们今天的菜就比较有一定的
艺术的这种感觉，是吧？
是的，因为我们现在吃饭不但是讲究它的好吃，而且我们讲究它的一种前卫一点的一种艺术感。OK， 好。
Don't forget when you're doing something like this, make sure that you wash your hands beforehand. 像一个小虫子嘛。
是的。
好。
OK， 好，现在我们刚刚用焯水的菠菜，我们需要用什么？我们菠菜让它有一点点色。
It looks just like a little caterpillar, all wrapped up in his leaf.
好，因为说我们米饭呢，一般我们要配一点点水果，为什么呢？因为说是它米饭里面有爆汁，它里面油气很重，所以说我们要有一点水果来帮它解一解油气。
那你这里是有油脂是吧？
对的，我们现在就用的是红西柚，
酸的。
对的，好，这样。
This looks like a little garden.
把这个菠菜全部把它用上去。
全部用上去。Looking more and more like a garden all throughout. OK。
这是我们刚刚煎的松茸。好，现在就是我们的龙虾。刚才我们用这个杯子，我们把龙虾装进去。
OK， 所以这样是分开的，是吧？
对的。OK。
Well, a lot of people use lobster. They will often cook it, put it into a soup, things like that. But actually, raw like this is also really spectacular. So, you're ready now to cook your lobster. Well, most people will actually put the lobster into some salted water and start boiling it. But actually, what that ends up with is some flavourless lobster meat. The best way to do it is always to put it into a steamer. Have the heat going before you put it in and then steam it for at least 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how large your lobster is. And that's my tip of the day. Let's review the steps that we took to get to this point. Well, first of all, we heated up our pan, put a little bit of oil into it. Then we put some of our vegetables, started stir-frying it. We then added our chicken into it and then start stir-frying it. When it becomes really fragrant, we then add in 2 different types of rice. One is our normal white rice and the other one is the glutinous rice. We then need to add in our juices, our abalone juice, our oyster sauce and also our soy sauce. Mix that through so that it's still got a sort of a nice sort of sticky thickness to it. And finish it off with a bit of cornstarch. Once that's done, we put that to the side. After that, we take a clean pan, we put our mushroom on it and we fry it on both sides. We then put that to the side. Then finally, we take our lobster and we're going to eat it raw today. We chop it up to the perfect size pieces. Then we can present it. Okay, this looks fabulous. I'm going to get stuck into it. 我尝一尝这个味道。我觉得这个姜其实是很好先吃。Well, when you're eating something like this, the most important thing is about the lobster being really fresh, and you can taste it with the crunchiness in it and also the sweetness of it. That's lovely. That sauce is fabulous. And the rice, of course, it is amazing, and I love that it's nice and wet and sticky. That's it for us today. So many dishes, all to do with lobster. It's been so much fun, Max. Thank you so much. This is such a great dish because it's raw. We've learned so many different ways of cooking lobster this week and what sort of things we can actually accompany it with. I hope you've learned a lot and that you're going to start cooking lobster in your kitchen. Well, we've got more fabulous stuff coming up next week, so make sure you stay tuned. We'll see you then.